You're standing in your backyard, staring at a pile of options and wondering if you're about to drop a few $100s on a grill that will end up gathering dust. It's that moment when you think, I don't want to waste money on the wrong thing, and I need something that actually fits my cooking style and my space. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. Let's talk about the Bull Outdoor Products Outlaw 30-inch built-in propane grill bundle and see if it really lives up to the hype or if it's just another oversized piece of metal. First off, the Outlaw isn't a standalone grill you roll out of the garage on a weekend. It's a full-kit outdoor kitchen component that arrives with 4 main burners, a single side burner, vent panels, an access door and a weatherproof cover. That means you're looking at a piece of equipment that's meant to be installed into a countertop or a dedicated grill island. If you've already got a patio layout that includes a concrete slab or a built-in prep area, the Outlaw can slot right in, turning that blank space into a functional cooking zone. If you're still figuring out where to put a grill, the installation requirement could become a hidden cost not just in time, but possibly in hiring a professional to make sure the gas lines are safely hooked up. What really sets this bundle apart is the 4 stainless steel burners delivering a combined 60,000 BTUs across an 8-10 square-inch cooking surface. In practice, that translates to solid heat for searing steaks on the main grill while still having room to lay out a tray of vegetables or a whole fish on the side. I've seen home cooks use the main burners for a classic backyard burger night, getting that quick, high-heat sear that locks in juices, and then push a pan of sautéed mushrooms onto the same surface without any flare-ups. The extra heat capacity is especially handy when you're feeding a crowd. Think a Saturday afternoon with cousins, a backyard birthday, or a game day spread. You can have the burgers, hot dogs, and a slab of ribs all cooking at once without scrambling to move plates around. The single side burner is the quiet hero of the package. It's not just a decorative extra, it gives you a dedicated spot for sauces, side dishes, or anything that needs a gentler, more controlled heat. I've watched people use it to simmer a pot of chili while the main grill handles the meat, or to boil water for a quick pasta side that rounds out the meal. Because it's separate from the main burners, you can keep a delicate sauce from scorching while the rest of the grill is at full blast. For anyone who enjoys a bit of culinary flexibility, like adding a grilled corn salad or warming a skillet of garlic butter shrimp, the side burner is a real time saver. Durability is another practical point. All the burners in the grill body are stainless steel, which means they'll hold up against rain, sun, and the occasional stray spark from a firecracker on the 4th of July. The vent panels that come with the bundle help maintain proper airflow, which is essential for consistent flame control, especially when you're juggling multiple burners at different temperatures. In real-world use, those vents keep the heat evenly distributed and prevent the dreaded hot spot that can burn a burger on one side while leaving the other undercooked. The included cover does more than just keep leaves out. It protects the stainless steel from rusting and helps preserve the finish over the long haul. Now, let's talk about the trade-offs. The sheer size of a 30-inch built-in grill means you need a decent amount of space. If you have a modest balcony or a cramped patio, trying to squeeze this into a corner will likely feel like forcing a square peg into a round hole. The installation also isn't a weekend DIY project for most people. You need a propane line, proper clearance from walls, and a sturdy countertop that can bear the weight. That could add a few $100s to the overall cost if you're not comfortable doing the plumbing yourself. Moreover, because it's a propane system, you'll need to keep an eye on your tank levels. That's not a deal breaker for most grill enthusiasts, but if you're used to the just light it and go simplicity of a charcoal kettle, the propane logistics might feel like extra maintenance. Who should put a checkmark next to the Outlaw? If you already have or are planning a permanent outdoor kitchen setup, if you frequently host gatherings where you need multiple cooking zones, and if you enjoy the convenience of having a side burner for sauces and side dishes, this bundle is a solid investment. It also makes sense for anyone who values weather resistance. Those stainless steel burners and the included cover mean you can leave the grill out year after year without worrying about corrosion. Lastly, if you're a serious home chef who likes to experiment with different cooking methods, grilling, sautéing, simmering, having 4 main burners